Hello everyone. Today I'll walk you through a careful, methodical way to open a 3-digit luggage combination lock when the code slips your mind. I'll explain each step slowly so you can follow along, and I'll share tips to keep the process efficient and safe. Start by examining each of the 3 numbered dials closely. First step, you need to find the hole on each number. So let's try. How you can find the hole? 7. There is no hole. 8. No holes. 9. No hole. 0. Yes, I found the hole. This is the tiny notch that tells you the correct digit. So, let's check the next section. No hole. No hole. Yes, there is the hole. Okay. Next. 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 Yes, there it is. So finally free pull is there. After that, you need to click with the push. It's not opening, so now you can go for the next step. You need to change one number from each section. So, one number is now 0. I am pushing it to 1. And 4, I am pushing it to 5. 6, I am pushing it to 7. Push. Not working. If it is not working, try again. From 1 to 2. 5 to 6. 7 to 8. Push. Not working. Let's try again. 2 to 3. 6 to 7. 8 to 9. Push. Finally it's working. So, this is the process. You need to try again and again. Within about 10 tries you can open the luggage lock very smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides. See you in the next video.